Hello friends, in this quick tutorial I'm gonna be walking through how to share Audacity files through email. But before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe how to 1 minute. So if you want to share Audacity files through email, then the file format should be MP3. So you have to render the file as an MP3 format and then open your Gmail and click on Compose. And here you have to put the recipient email address, then click on attach files. And now here is my Audacity rendered MP3 files. I'm going to select this one and open. So you have to make sure that your file format is MP3 and then you will be able to send it through email. If you have any questions, feel free to post in description. If you think to see more WordPress videos, please check the links in descriptions. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe how to 1 minute. Thank you for watching.